for a test. Yes, the test was a success. Hey km1200. I've always noticed something about you. What's that? You have a rotator box, but you don't rotate. Why is that? Oh, that's not anything you need to worry about. It's fine. Are you sure? My rotator is broken. My head is supposed to turn back and forth by 45 degrees. But lately, I've been depressed. A lot of sirens made fun of me. Especially P50. He keeps calling me a traffic light. And it really hurts my feelings. I cried so much that my tears made their way into my oscillator and rusted the gears together. So, now my oscillator is broken. Wow, that's sad. Well, I know a siren that might be able to fix you and make you feel much better. What siren would that be? His name is Baby Blaster. He is a custom siren. And he is pretty good at fixing the broken sirens that come into his repair shop occasionally. He should be able to fix you up good. K2000R. What are you here for? I'm getting my collector rings cleaned. What are you here for? My friend km1200 is getting her oscillator repaired. What happened to it? Poor km1200 was depressed and she cried so much that her tears got into her oscillator and rusted it out. Wow. Really? I kinda feel bad for her now. Yeah, me too.
We're ready for you now. Hi. How can I help you?
How long have I searched for you? I used to feel blue, my hopes became true. How long have I searched for someone like you? No minute goes by, the notion of you, I still get down.
km1200. Yeah? What? Oh yeah. I need you to, fix myself fixed. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine. What am I here for again? You are here to get your okay. I'm over here. You are here to get your oscillator fixed. Alright. I need my oscillator fixed.
What's wrong with it?
Okay, here's the story. I was getting bullied a lot by other sirens, and I got depressed. I was called a traffic light, an idiot, and nobody liked me. I cried a lot. So much in fact that my tears somehow got into my oscillator and rusted all the gears together. Now I can't oscillate anymore because of all the hate. I have no idea why everyone hates me. I never did anything to them.
Wow. That's so sad. I kinda wanna give you a hug right now.
I need it.
Whoa.
They like each other. Oh no, Model G, I think it's much worse. They like each other.
Now, what about my oscillator?
Alright. Oh god. That is a lot of rust. I feel your pain now. How long were you depressed?
I lost track on that.
Ouch. Anyways, I have something that might fix your oscillator. PSP has a box fan that was creaking really badly and he fixed it by lubricating the bearings with this 3-in-1 multi-purpose long-lasting oil.
Cool. Do you think that will work on my oscillator?
Sure. It says it can even stop rust. Okay, now I need you to do a single attack blast with oscillation. Okay, you are now good to go.
Thanks, Baby Blaster. Ahem.
You're welcome. Come back if you have any other problems.
Okay, By Negative I mean Mega Blaster. Hem.
What was that? She was acting a little strange. Oh, it's probably nothing to worry about.
What was that? You were acting like really nervous there. Never mind that. I'm fine. Oh crap. I gotta see Mega Blaster again. Hi Mega Blaster. Wow. It's hot in here.
Tell me about it. The air conditioner in here gave out and I am trying to fix it.
Okay. What's wrong with it, Mega Blaster?
I don't know. It just stopped blowing cold air.
It must have just been too hot in here for it to handle. Hem.
That could be. I mean, we just experienced a 100-degree heat wave. Oh god, that is so much better. Now, what are you here for again?
I want my dual tone pitch changed to be 932 Hz by 788 Hz.
Okay. Now I need you to test.
Wow. I sound awesome. Thanks, Mega Blaster.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye, Mega Blaster.
That was the second day in a row she saw me. I wonder what's going on.
That's the second day in a row you've gone to Mega Blaster's repair shed. Are you feeling alright? Yeah, I'm fine. I just wanted to get my, tone pitch changed. Oh. Okay. What does it sound like now? This. Wow. That sounds awesome. I know, right? Mega Blaster is so awesome. Hem. Hi, Mega Blaster. I need one of my speakers fixed. It just burned out.
Alright, let's have a look. Oh god. This thing is toast. I'll have to completely replace it. Now I need you to test. Okay, sounds good.
Thanks, Mega Blaster.
You're welcome. She's been seeing me a lot lately. I'm starting to get the feeling she might have feelings for me. Really? Yes. I think she even almost called me mega cute in her way out of the repair shop during our first encounter. And did you see how nervous she was? Holy crap, you may be right. I got a text Bose Musin about this. Why Bose Musin? Bose Musin and km1200 are friends. Bose Musin seems like the right siren to talk to about this.
Oh. Hi, Bose Musin. KM1200. I need to ask you something. Sure. What's up? I got a text from Blasterific 9000 saying he thinks you have a crush on Mega Blaster. Is this true? I don't know. Oh my god, you do have a crush on him. Okay, fine. I'll admit it. I do like Mega Blaster. Holy f***ing crap.
Oh. Hey km1200. What are you doing here?
I've come to get something off my pole. Well, to tell you the truth, I have a big crush on you.
Wait. WTF, do you mean you have a crush on me? I thought Blockhead was on my side. Hey Mega Blaster. What are you doing? I am trying to figure out km1200, and how she broke the singularity barrier. I think I almost got it. Okay, cool. Wait. She actually has feelings for you. I was right? Yes. She does. And you were right. Holy crap. Oh. What? I think I just found out how km1200 broke the barrier. How? This may sound crazy, but her love for me was so powerful it was able to penetrate the singularity barrier. What the How is that possible? Singularity is way more powerful than a relationship. I don't know, but according to this scan, her crush on me is 44.4% more powerful than the singularity barrier. Really? Let me see that. Oh my god. It's true. How is that possible? I don't know, but I hope I didn't hurt her feelings when I freaked out like that. I am gonna text her and say that I am sorry for freaking out. Good idea. Well, that went well. Hey,
Oh. King Mega Blaster.
what are you doing here?
I was actually hoping you would show up. Sometimes I come up here when I am depressed.
Wow. It sure is nice up here.
I know, right?
Hey km1200. The city called. They want their traffic light back.
Wow. That was amazing, Mega Blaster. I have a laser very similar to that.
Really?
Yeah. I used it to defeat P50 at the end of the TSM episode, King P50.
That is awesome. Well, I gotta get back to the repair shed.
Wait. One more thing before you go.
What's that?
Mega Blaster. Oh well, it was worth it. Fuck. You missed me.